Did you know that people are making over $20,000 per month by selling digital products on Etsy? Selling AI-generated digital products can be incredibly profitable with low costs and high margins. It's an amazing business model. Create something once and sell it repeatedly with no additional effort. To succeed in this lucrative field, you'll need an exceptional digital product. Thankfully, AI tools make it easier than ever to create them. In this video, I'll share 7 digital products you can make and sell using AI. 1. Clipart Patterns. One popular option is selling clipart and patterns. For example, the Etsy shop Digital Curio makes over $29,000 per month selling clipart and has earned more than $3 million since its launch. Clipart and patterns are highly sought after, enhancing presentations, social media posts, and physical items like t-shirts or mugs. The best part: you don't need to be an experienced artist to create them. Thanks to AI tools like Midjourney and Leonardo.ai, you can generate beautiful visuals by simply describing what you want. Instead of browsing through stock art libraries, just provide a prompt like watercolor flowers, botanical illustrations, and floral arrangements, and the AI will produce stunning artwork within seconds. These tools also offer full customization, so if you want a starry pattern with swirling stardust, it's just a prompt away. You have complete creative control, fine-tuning the colors, styles, and composition to match your vision. Once created, you can sell your designs on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or Redbubble, turning your artistic ideas into a profitable business. 2. Storybooks for children. The second idea is creating children's storybooks. This was one of the first products I sold on Etsy, and if I had access to AI tools back then, I would have succeeded much faster. Ever wanted to create a captivating picture book for kids but felt overwhelmed by the artistic side? AI can now be your creative assistant. With tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 3, you can easily generate vibrant illustrations tailored to your unique stories, transforming your ideas into engaging storybooks without the hassle of drawing everything yourself. But both of these tools are paid. But don't worry, you can use Leonardo.ai and Ideogram for free. We are using Leonardo.ai for this video. Imagine this: you feed in a simple prompt like a brave knight facing a fire-breathing dragon in a medieval castle. And in seconds, AI conjures a breathtaking visual: the knight's gleaming armor reflecting the dragon's fiery breath, the castle spires piercing a stormy sky. But the magic goes beyond single scenes. You can build an entire visual journey for your young readers. Using AI for children's book illustrations offers numerous advantages. Don't hesitate to dive into this exciting space. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Etsy, and independent bookstores are ready to showcase your AI-powered creations. So unleash your creativity, fuel your imagination, and let AI be your co-pilot as you venture into the magical world of children's book publishing. Check the description for helpful prompts to create storybook visuals. 3. Stickers. Our next idea is selling stickers. An example shop, Boss There, has already earned nearly $9,000 from selling digital download stickers. Stickers are a fun way to express personality, whether they're plastered on laptops, water bottles, or used in chat windows. Why not become the next sticker sensation and earn a substantial income? AI tools like Ideogram and Leonardo.ai can become your virtual sticker factory, generating adorable animal characters, quirky memes, or motivational quotes in seconds. Imagine designing a grumpy cat with a crown or a dancing avocado in sunglasses. AI can bring those ideas to life with high-quality images, ready to sell. Experiment with different styles, keywords, and prompts until you create the perfect sticker collection. You can find more sticker creation prompts in the description. 4. Virtual backgrounds. Looking to add magic and personality to virtual meetings? Since remote work skyrocketed during the pandemic, many people now rely on video calls and prefer to keep their home environments private. This has created a booming market for virtual backgrounds. With tools like Midjourney, you can generate stunning, realistic backgrounds to meet this growing demand. Offer customized virtual backgrounds tailored to specific professions or themes, like a courtroom for lawyers or a whimsical classroom for teachers. Platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and Creative Market are great places to sell your designs. 5. Digital paper. Digital paper might seem simple, but it's highly profitable. One shop has made over $500,000 selling digital paper, showing the earning potential in this niche. Digital paper consists of patterns or gradients that people print out for scrapbooking or use digitally to enhance designs. Using Midjourney, you can create unique digital paper patterns. Imagine prompting Leonardo.ai with requests like watercolor textures inspired by a calm lake or vintage floral designs with nostalgic charm. The AI will generate beautifully detailed digital paper that reflects your artistic vision. Etsy and Creative Market are perfect platforms for selling these creations. 6. Logos. Another profitable product is logos. Traditionally, businesses hire graphic designers to create logos or purchase pre-made ones from sites like Etsy and Fiverr. But with AI tools, you can generate multiple logo options quickly. Simply provide the AI with specific instructions, such as preferred colors, themes, or design styles. For example, you might prompt it with modern tech logo with sleek lines or organic aesthetic for a sustainable brand. AI can handle the heavy lifting, making logo creation faster and easier. The brilliance of Stable Diffusion lies in its ability to interpret prompts and generate visually striking logo designs. Its flexibility ensures your logos align perfectly with the brand's identity, making them stand out. But where can you turn these AI-powered logos into revenue? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, 99 Designs, and Etsy are bustling with businesses and entrepreneurs seeking unique logos. By setting up a profile on these platforms, you can showcase your AI-created logos and offer design services to a global audience. 7. Coloring book pages. Coloring books are another excellent digital product you can effortlessly create with AI. As more people engage in mindfulness practices, coloring has evolved from a children's pastime into a popular hobby for adults. A quick browse on Amazon reveals that some sellers are generating hundreds of thousands of dollars from both adult and children's coloring books. Midjourney is a powerful tool for designing beautiful coloring book pages. Many entrepreneurs are leveraging it to create and sell these books through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. However, you can also use free tools like Leonardo.ai to achieve similar results. For instance, you can generate a page by using a prompt like cartoon illustration. Coloring book page, happy elephant, nature, black and white, clean and voila, your page is ready. There you have it, 7 amazing digital products made possible with AI. Now that you know how to profit from selling digital products, take your income to the next level in 2024 by exploring the tools I've linked. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content.